Hello everyone. We are here for discussing job opportunities and exams for science stream. Let's move forward. We today we will discuss BSc Graduate Science Core government jobs. So students who are who are graduated in BSc, who have bachelors of science, and they are looking for science core government jobs, right? Not the traditional ones like UPSC, RBI, SBI PO, and RRB PO. Apart from the common exams, we are focusing on science core government jobs. First, space and defense research. Whenever we think about space, the name comes is ISRO. So here is the exam we can look for. ISRO scientific assistant recruitment is of in ISRO center level. Eligibility is BSc degree from physics, chemistry, computer science, maths, electronics. That should be first class above 60 degree. Okay. The selection is based on the written test followed by a skill test, then a document verification. Next, Defense Research Organization post Senior Technical Assistant B. You can target this post through DRDO Septem exam. Eligibility follows BSc in botany, chemistry, computer science, agriculture, etc. The age and eligibility differs as per notification. Selection is via Tier 1 CBT, a computer based test, then Tier 2, a skill trade test. Second, we have is atomic and nuclear research. Now, the first is BARC scientific assistant post. The recruitment is through BARC training school, direct recruitment. Eligibility is BSc more than or equal to 60% in relevant discipline plus age less or equals to 30 for general category. Other categories have specific relaxation for age. Selection is through a screening test, interview, or written test followed by an interview. Third, we have core scientific councils like CSIR research positions are there. For BSc, tech assistant, technical assistant, or project assistant post are there. Eligibility has BSc in science plus experience for some post if required. Selection goes through written skill test plus interview. And CSIR has scientist and JRF positions, which can be obtained through the eligibility of having an MSc degree or a PhD degree. Sometimes it asks for MSc plus experience also. Fourth one is medical and biological research. ICMR research assistant post you can target. Its recruitment is through institute wise notification. You can have notification institute wise, which is conducted by ICMR. Eligibility criteria would be BSc Life Sciences, Biotech, Microbiology, Bioinformatics. If you have any BSc degree with these branches, you can opt for this post. The selection goes through written test interview per institute. Okay. Forensic and investigation. The students who have BSc Physics plus Maths or Electronics, IT or Computer Science who fits in the age criteria between 21 to 30 via SSC exam, you can opt for the post of SSC Scientific Assistant IMD. This is Indian Meteorological Department. It belongs to the department Ministry of Earth Sciences. Okay, you can opt this post. The selection is via CBT followed by document verification. A computer-based test occurs and thereafter a document verification. Second, for forensics, you can target Central Forensic Science Laboratory Scientific Assistant post, which comes in central post also. State-wise post also comes for this. Eligibility is BSc in Physics, Chemistry, Bio, Forensic Science. If you fit in the age criteria of 21 to 30. For general category, the other categories have specific relaxations in age. Selection occurs through written followed by an interview, then a physical test. Next, we have Agriculture and Allied ICAR Technician Technical Assistant now. Indian Council of Agriculture Research has this post. You can target this post via exam ICAR, IARI or institute level exams. Right. Eligibility, if you have BSc in Agriculture, BSc in Botany, BSc in Zoology, BSc in Chemistry, and you fit in the criteria between 18 to 30 for general category. Okay, other categories have relaxations in age. As per notification, it is mentioned. Fine. FCI Technical Officer. You can target this post through FCI Manager, Food Council of India, Manager or Assistant Grade 3 exam. Eligibility is BSc in Agriculture or BSc plus PG Diploma or as per notification, and the age is 28 max for this post. Selection is via through phase 1 and phase 2 exams and followed by a document verification DV. In health and lab services, we have AIMS Technical Assistant Lab Technician post. If you have BSc in MLT, Medical Lab Technician, and if you have BSc in Biology, BSc in Chemistry, BSc in Microbiology, you can target this post if you fit under the age criteria 18 to 30. Selection is based on CBT, a computer-based test, followed by a skill test. We have another post by Employees State Insurance Corporation, a lab assistant technician post. If you have BSc in MLT, chemistry, bio, and you come into the age 18 to 27, then you can have this post, you can target this post through a written exam. And another one is State Health Department Lab Assistant. Again, if you have a BSc plus DMLT, a diploma in medical lab technician, then you can target this post. The age is pretty much relaxed here, 18 to 40. Selection we have is merit written per state. Okay. For railways and PSUs, we have this post called RRB Junior Scientist or Lab Assistant. If you have exams RRB NTPC and central recruitment happens. If you have BSc Physics, BSc in Chemistry, BSc in Biology, and you are in age between 18 to 33, you have this RRB Junior Scientist Lab Assistant post. Eligibility, you can appear for that. The selection is based through CBT computer-based test first, and then secondly again a computer-based test, then a document verification plus medical. We have another post, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, the Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, and NTPC, technical assistant, right? So you can target this post if you have BSc, PGDCA diploma, and it differs as per notification. The age criteria is up to 30. Selection is based upon a computer-based test plus a skill test and then an interview. If you have a BSc and you want to go for a teaching and an education-based career, then you have Kendriya Vidyalaya schools, Navodaya Vidyalaya schools, lab assistant post, which come under TGT, right? So exams you can target KVS, NVS recruitment. Eligibility is BSc and a B.Ed. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching the video. Follow for more.